Hello everyone and welcome to my programming learning channel. My name is Edie and I'm going to show you how you can learn programming while advancing in your career developing applications. Today, I want to talk to you about SoloLearn and how this app can help you learn to code from scratch in a fun way. SoloLearn offers free and comprehensive courses on many popular programming languages such as Java, Python, PHP, and many more. You can learn the basics of each language through interactive lessons, step-by-step exercises, and practical projects. The app interface is very simple and easy to use. The lessons take you from the very basics to more advanced concepts so that you can develop a good foundation to start your career as a programmer. In addition to the courses, SoloLearn also offers a forum where you can connect with other programmers to have your questions answered and find partners to collaborate on projects. They also have daily programming challenges to practice and improve your skills. In summary, SoloLearn is an excellent tool for learning programming from scratch for free and in an entertaining way. I recommend starting with the most basic languages like Java and Python and then expanding from there. The app is available for Android, iOS, and web. The link is in the description. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this brief tour of SoloLearn. Leave your comments and questions below. See you next time.